Hi friends, it's Barry from Mouth Games. Today I have a special challenge for you. We can see that there are 20 numbers and our challenge is to arrange them using four fours. So we can use any of the basic operation: plus, minus, multiplication, division, or we can also use other things like square roots and so on. So I want you to try and pause the video and give this a try. In fact, there's already two examples done. So for example, to make one, you can make two 24s and then divide them. 44 divided by 44, that's just 1. For number 2, we have 4 divided by 4 plus 4 divided by 4. So that's just 2. Now, when you are done trying, let's take a look at the solution. So how will we do 3? Well, for 3, we can sum up the three fours. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's 12. And then if we divide that by 4, that's just 12 divided by 4. Divided by 4, that's just number 3. Okay, so that's done. Now what about number 4? Here's how I did it. So we can have 4 times 4 minus 4 plus 4. Well, because 4 minus 4, that's 0. So 4 times 0 is 0 plus 4, and that's 4. Now let's look at number 5. For number 5, it's a bit more complicated, I think. We will first multiply the two 4s. So we have the number 16. And if we add another 4, then we can have 20, and then 20 divided by 4, that is just 5. So far so good, not too complicated, I hope. Let's try number 6. For 6, we first have a 4, and we want to add 2. So we want to make 2 using the remaining 3 4s. And the way we can do it is to add the two 4s. So that's number 8. And then number 8 divided by 4, that's 2. So 4 plus 2, and that is 6. Okay. And what about 7? Well, 7 is just 4 plus 4 minus 4 divided by 4. Here we have 8 and then minus 1. So that's 7. What about number 8? I think number 8 is quite easy. You just add up the three 4s, and then 12. 12 minus 4, and that is just number 8. Okay, so number 9 again, we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 divided by 4. Well, here is just 8 plus 1, and that is 9. Number 10. Number 10, we need to make a bigger number at the start. We make 44 minus 4, so that's 40, and we divide the whole thing by 4, so that's just 10. Right, that's all we have so far, and we're gonna look at the remaining ones from 11 to 20, and they're going to be a bit harder, a bit trickier. So for 11, 11 we have 44 divided by the square root of 4 plus the square root of 4. The square root of 4 is 2, so 2 plus 2 is 4. 44 divided by 4, that is 11. So 12, we have 44 plus 4, that is 48, divided by 4, that's 12. And for number 13, we have 44 divided by 4, that is 11, and then we can add the square roots of 4, so that's 13. And then for 14, we have the 3 4s, so we add them up, that's 12. Once again, we can add the square root of 4, and that's just 12 plus 2, so for 14. Now for 15, once again, we can have 44 divided by 4, and then we can just add 4 itself, because that's just 11 plus 4, which is 15. And then for 16, that's just the easiest thing. You just add all 4s, which is just 16. And then 17, again, we can have 4 times 4 plus 4 divided by 4. So that's just 16 plus 1, which is 17. So far, so good. And then number 18, we have 4 times 4 plus 4 minus the square root of 4. So here we have 16 plus 4, so 12. I mean 20. 20 minus 2, that's 18. Now number 19, I think is the most special one here, because we need to use something called a factorial. So we have 4 factorial minus 4 minus 4 divided by 4. 4 factorial is just 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Well, that's just 24. 24 minus 4, 20. And then 20 minus 4 divided by 4, so 20 minus 1. So that is just 19. So that's very good. And then finally for the number 20, we have 4 times 4 plus the square root of 4 plus the square root of 4. That's just 16 plus 2 equals 20. Now here's another challenge for you. Can you make like the biggest expression using 4/4 and using any operations that you know? So here's the one I come up with, and that is a tower of exponents. We have 4 factorial raised to the 4 factorial raised to the 4 factorial raised to the 4 factorial. Essentially, that's just 24 raised to the 24 raised to the 24 raised to the 24. And so yeah, let me know what your biggest expression is in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.